Hello, good people. Welcome to day 15 of our daily Python test. Today we're going to be doing Palindrome. Today is the first day I really heard that word before. So all we're asked to do here is create a function that's going to take a string as its parameter, and palindrome simply means if you read the string from front to back or from back to front, like left to right or right to left, it's always going to be pronounced the same way. Like, for example, we have Bob. If you read Bob from right to left or left to right, it's still going to be Bob or Abba. So, but if you have something else like Doosu, now it's not going to be pronounced the same way, back to front or front to back. So what we're doing here is it's really simple. We're going to just write a function, and our function will simply compare the regular form of the string that's left to right with its reverse. So how do we do that? First, let's create our function. Our function should be called palindrome. Okay, and it takes in a parameter. You can call this parameter whatever you like. Then we're to check our string from front to back and back to front. But first things first, we want to make sure it's all lowercase. We can't assume everything is going to be lowercase here. So let's just do this string equal to string dot lower. This will make sure it's lowercase. Now we've converted it to lowercase, we will now have to define when it should return true and when it should return false. So if string, and I want to show you something now Python has. So when you want to call the reverse of something, of a sequence or whatever, you're going to use this double colon here and then -1. This is how it's written in Python. So now this is now telling it the reverse of string, and this is string the regular way the string goes, but this is its reverse now. So if the reverse and the regular string are the same, that's what we just written here, then return true according to what they say we should do. If not, return false. That's what else is. And this is basically our palindrome absolutely done. So let's run this code. Yep, correct. Again, if you have an easier way around it, if you have any questions, comment down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't get to miss any day, and please drop a thumbs up for this video. It's going to really help more people join in and the whole YouTube algorithm. Plus, it's going to encourage me. Thank you very much for being there for me, for being with me on this journey. Let's keep coding. Let's keep doing it. Ciao.